Most women never train their neck, but this muscle changes your entire physique. Nobody talks about it, but today I will. Your neck controls posture, frame size, shoulder width, even how defined your jaw looks. Weak neck equals forward head posture. You look smaller. Strong neck equals upright posture. Body looks powerful instantly. Begin with a gentle warm-up. Slow circular neck rotations. Exercise 1. Chin to chest, slow and controlled. 10 reps. Look upward, stretch without pain. Feel muscle activation behind the neck. Tilt right, tilt left. No jerky movement. 8 reps each side. Push your head into your palm. Hold 5 seconds. This builds real strength. Just 5 minutes daily gives posture improvement, shoulder width illusion, and more symmetrical face structure. Greater than. If you want a strong, aesthetic upper body, never skip neck day again. Subscribe for more animated fitness guides.